Most people know webinars are one of the best ways to make money online. But let's be real. Hosting them yourself can be stressful. You've got tech issues, slides, camera setup, and hours of talking in front of an audience. But what if you could profit from webinars without ever hosting or presenting one yourself? That's exactly what John Thornhill's webinar profit engine allows you to do. It's a done for you automated system that's already helped generate over $5 million in sales. And now you can plug right into it. Here's what you'll discover inside: the exact strategy John Thornhill used to build a seven-figure business with automated webinars. 10 powerful webinar hacks that can double your conversions. How his 5 proven webinar frameworks do all the selling for you automatically. And how you can set this up in under 30 minutes, no products, and no experience needed. Everything is already done: the funnel, the emails, the back end offers, all working for you 24/7. So if you want to earn affiliate commissions online without ever going live, this is your shortcut. Click the link below to learn how to start profiting from webinars without hosting or presenting using Webinar Profit Engine.